Namaskar and welcome to the video lecture series on analog circuits. Myself Dr. Dharmesh Kumar Srivastava. Today I shall explain about the transresistance amplifier in feedback. So what is a transresistance amplifier? In a circuit in which the output parameter is a voltage whereas the input parameter is the current, then it is known as the transresistance amplifier. This is the circuit in which the current is at input whereas the voltage is at output. Therefore, it is also called as the current controlled voltage source, the current controlled current source. It is also called as the current controlled current source. Okay, so now for its input and output impedance is low. Now calculation for the analysis of the feedback voltage gain. Just start, apply KCL to the input loop. What we obtained, just see over here, apply KCL to input loop. When we apply KCL to the input loop, what we obtained, IS is equal to II plus IF. This is the point number 1. Now the transresistance amplifier parameter A is equal to V0 upon II, that is equal to point number 2. Then feedback factor beta is equal to IF upon V0. Just see equation number 3. From here we can write it also that IF is equal to beta into V0. This is also a part of equation number 3. Now just 3 parameters has been calculated. A is equal to, okay. Now we have to calculate and the last one, that is the overall voltage gain. Overall voltage gain, what is this? AF is equal to V0 upon IS. That is equation number 4. Now putting the value of 1 in equation number 4, just see what happens. AF is equal to V0 upon II plus IF, and putting the value of IF is equal to beta into I0 from equation number 3 over here. AF is equal to V0 upon II plus beta into V0, and just see what we can do now. Just here what we should do, divide the numerator and denominator by V0. Dividing numerator and denominator by V0. So what will happen? AF is equal to 1 upon II upon V0 plus beta. So just see, AF is equal to, what will happen? There is something mistake over here. Okay, it will be equal to 1 upon I upon V0 is equal to 1 upon A plus beta. So what will happen? AF is equal to A upon 1 plus A into beta. So this is all about the transresistance amplifier. Okay, so now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the input and output resistance of transresistance amplifier. So now we are calculating the input and output resistance of transresistance amplifier. Just see. So what we have to draw, the diagram for the transresistance. Just see from here, it at the input side it is the current. So what we have to draw? We have to draw the inside, that is RI, it is IS, and the input side it is shunted. So this is Ri plus minus Vi from here to here, and this is the current II and this is Is. Now just see at the feedback what we obtained. At the feedback we obtained, it is, just see at the output what it is current dependent voltage source A into Vi, so it is R0, and this is RL with voltage source V0. From here it is shunted, and from here we obtained like this and also like this. It is voltage source. So here what we obtained, it is beta into V0. Here it is IF. Okay. So now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the input and output resistance. So just see for input resistance, apply, we have to calculate the input resistance, then the load resistance will be 0, and here the input resistance with feedback, and here it is the output resistance with feedback. So what is the input resistance with feedback? RIF is equal to Vi upon Is. And what is the value of Is? Is is equal to okay, and what is the value of Vi? Not Is, it is Vi. Vi is equal to II into Ri, so it is II into Ri upon Is. This will be considered as equation number 1. Now from the figure, just see IF is equal to beta into V0. Just see here, IF is equal to beta into V0. That will be considered as equation number 2. And again from here V0 is equal to A into Vi, so V0 is equal to A into Vi. This will be considered as equation number 3. And now apply KCL to the input loop over here. Apply KCL to input loop. So it will be Is is equal to II plus If, and this will be equation number 4. Now putting the value of 4 in equation number 1, what will happen? RIF is equal to II into Ri upon II plus If, and If is equal to beta into V0, and V0 is equal to A into Vi. Okay, now just what we have to do? We have to substitute these values over here. Okay, V0 is equal to A into, no, I'm sorry, over here there is a mistake. It is A into II. I'm sorry for that. That is equal to A into II. So it will be A into II. Okay, so now just putting these values, it is A into II. So putting these values again, what will happen? RIF is equal to II into Ri upon II plus If is equal to beta into V0, and V0 is equal to A into II. So it will be, just see, RIF is equal to II into Ri upon II plus beta into A into II. So this will be cancelled out. So RIF is equal to Ri upon 1 plus A into beta. So this is the feedback resistance with feedback in case of the trans resistance amplifier. Now we comes to the output resistance. So for the calculation of output resistance, again you know that for the calculation of output resistance, the input parameter will be 0. Here the input Is will be 0 for the output resistance, calculation of output resistance. So for calculation output resistance, the input current source Is should be 0. So apply again, from the input side, apply KCL to the input loop. Just see, apply KCL to input loop. IS is equal to II plus IF, and IS is equal to 0, which implies II equals to minus of IF. And from figure you see that IF is equal to beta into I0, and IF is equal to beta into V0. It is beta into V0, which implies II is equal to minus beta into V0. Okay, so apply KVL to the output loop and calculate the output resistance. With here the current is this I0. Apply KVL to the output loop and calculate the output voltage. Just see what happens. V0 is equal to I into R0 into R0, or we can say that I0. Okay, I0 into R0 plus A into II. And from here, if we calculate the value of this I0, so what will happen? I0 is equal to V0 minus of A into II upon R0. Okay, and the value of ROF is equal to just putting these values over here, so it will become I0 is equal to V0 plus A into beta into V0 upon R0, क्योंकि because II is equal to minus beta into V0. Now we can say that this equation is X. Now from the circuit we can calculate ROF is equal to V0 upon I0, and putting the value of I0 from equation X over here, so it will be ROF is equal to V0 upon V0 1 plus A into beta. This will be cancelled out, so ROF is equal to 1 upon 1 plus A into beta. So you can see that the input and output resistance, both the parameters input and output resistance, are reduced by a factor of 1 plus A beta. Sorry, this will be upon R0, so it will be over here R0. So you can see that the input and output resistance are reduced by a factor of 1 plus A beta, whereas the feedback voltage gain is also reduced by a factor of 1 plus A beta. Okay, so this is about the analysis of transresistance amplifier. So up till now I had explained about all the analysis of input resistance, output resistance, and the feedback gain of transresistance amplifier. Thank you.